Think about this and wait for the end. Midlife, most men and women experience an existential paradigm shift in their core values. Most of the roles and values we believed in suddenly becomes obsolete. And then we start on a quest for meaning. At the same time, we start a search for our true self and purpose. There are some differences and communalities for both men and women. In the video of yesterday, I shared about the paradigm shift for men. And in the video of the day before yesterday, I shared about the paradigm shift for women. Go back and watch them both and see how it fits for you. Whether you are situated before, in the middle, or after the shift, common for both is a radical showdown in the classic cultural core values, a complete shift in the hierarchy of personal values. And then we suddenly gain more interest in self-realization, self-actualization, and purpose. Last but not least, one of the values lowest on the list suddenly becomes the most important one, spirituality. Get more insight on that at the end of the video. Here follows a short explanation on paradigms, a free coaching exercise, and a gift. The distance between who you are and who you want to be is only one decision and 6 inches away. Manifestation is about mindset, and our conditioning and programming takes place after birth. If you don't succeed with radical or permanent change, it's because of the paradigm. The most of the time it runs our higher mental faculties, habitual behavior, and thinking. To get change and results, you gotta go to the paradigm, the primary course. And to get unstuck, you gotta learn to master your mind. That's my purpose, and I'm here to help you and your business with that. Now, we don't have a second to waste. You are paying for life, with life, so here's a free exercise and a gift. We all have an understanding and a relation to the word spirituality. We cannot erase that word from our mind or the dictionary. So think about what spirituality means to you and post it below. And take the question to the next level. What does spirituality mean in your personal life, your relations, business, and career? Post it in the chat. I really want to help, hear about it, and celebrate you. And stay connected because soon more will come. And thanks for all your likes, comments, sharing, and subscription. It really helps me to help more. Contact us for a free talk. These talks have changed many people's lives, and they cost you nothing. Just tell us what you want, and we will show you how to get it. We simply have a system that works. Success is not a secret, it's a system. And I would love for you to have that system and work in harmony with the laws of the universe. Learn to think beyond your mental paradigm and change your mindset. If you do that and connect to your higher side, everything becomes possible. It's all about mind and manifestation. If you want to know how, then just call me now. My name is Kasper Larsen, and I'm here to help you get full spectrum success, prosperity, and a fulfilling life. Personal, professional, relational, and spiritual. I wish you a really beautiful day, presence, peace, and prosperity. And remember, be the energy of your wish fulfilled. You might as well create a reality you want and manifest the good that you desire. Keep up the good work.